Alright guys, sorry to record a video so early. So there was a kid throwing rocks at us. As you can see, that is Night Gamer 123. And yeah, Night Gamer 2 and 123.
Show him. It's not him. It's not him though.
Yeah.
Wait, show him.
Oh, he's on the park over there with the blue hat.
Alright, if you saw him,
Switch the camera side. You can do that.
alright. So
At the park on the roof.
he's on that roof. Let's see. That's the kid that tried throwing rocks at us. Alright guys, be sure to like and subscribe. He's looking at us now. We might have to yo.
I don't know what to do.
I think he just grabbed a rock. He has a rock. I think. Zoom in on him. Let's zoom out. Okay, guys. This was. Oh, and he tried throwing rocks at Night Gamer 2. So, subscribe to both of our channels.
Night Gamer 2.
He's gone. He's gone.
Bro, what if he's like coming around here?
Yo. Wait a minute. Let's go check on the other side, man.
Is he coming, ma'am?
Man. I called you man. Yo. He's not coming. That's good. Alright. Make sure to like and subscribe. And click the notification bell in case if I record any new videos. Alright, guys.